channel. My name is Olga Learusere. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Help me to reach 1,000 subscribers so that this thing that we're doing can be serious and fun. So today I'm at Moreleta Nature Reserve. It's going to be fun. We are going to take a 4.2 route, and it's hot. Around 12 in the afternoon, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm not afraid. I'm wearing a black shirt, so I want all the sun, all the vitamin D to, locate me. Hey, your girl has a bun today. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just coming in now. That is a sign for main gate. We just got in, and I'm with the one and only. Say hi to the people, Wena. Oh, it seems like she's going to hike, like for serious. I don't know, but yeah, we're ready. Utungo wauona kuni Pitori dzina ningotenderwa nodzihwara. The wood, firewood. The village people will understand what I'm talking about. They will relate. Okay, so she wants to brag about her 250 cap.
Yeah.
Apparently, mine is less expensive.
Thank you.
So, yeah. Thank you for subscribing. All of you who have subscribed. My 170 people. You know what?
Included.
Yes, of course. I am so happy and I appreciate you a lot. Okay, guys, I'm keeping quiet now. We're going to say things. Okay? Guys, there's some things here. Here they are. Do you mean the kanga? The kanga, do you see them? The kanga kids. Yeah. Food for other people. Food for other people. This is what we call it muchenje. So basically, pregnant people struggling with iron deficiency, they usually eat this. This is natural from the nature. So the termites collect these things, they put them together with their salivas and paste them here on dry wood. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take a bite.
No, don't.
I should not.
No, don't.
She said I must not. Okay, I will not take a bite. Will regret, ne?
Yeah.
So this thing is very addictive. If I start it now, I'm just gonna be craving for it. So I've decided not to start. I'm gonna leave it. Okay. This is a very beautiful place. Ne? Ratargo banga parna kuti. Anyway. Yeah. Ndira kuti. Unfortunately, Kuti is not here today. So, let's go Kanga Futi Kezila. Oh my gosh, this place is so beautiful. Kanga kids. Some, I don't know what to call them. Peacock. Is this peacock? Is this peacock? Huh? This is peacock, ne? I don't know. There's an animal here, guys. Beautiful animal. Yeah. There she is, or he is going. So beautiful. This place is so beautiful. It's a nice hiking spot, guys. Safari on its own. Look here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Ndimbudzi handitu.
Asimbudzi mtsunga. Asipara. Jijitu. There's namatoko. So I don't know what is this for. Maybe it's a para. What you call para in English is springbok or something. This one is, it looks like the one for goats. You see? This one looks like the one for goats. There's water in this place. Look. Namaroroma ke. Ke maroroma. Jambore yange nundi mulamboni yange. There's a river that side. There's this, what you call it, marsh or what, I don't know. I'm very close. I can hear I'm very close on the temple. Yeah, but yeah, the maroromani una possibly una mrambo papa. Different kinds of grasses, guys. Me, I'm a village girl. I know these things. So this one, it's called konde. This is the one you start with when you are digging. I don't know if that's the right term for it. Yeah, but this is the one you start with, and then you put the soft one. Okay. This one looks like the one for. This looks like the one for a small cow. What do you call it? A calf. A calf. Yeah, the ones for the calf. I can't do without the bush, guys. I just love the bush.